Bonjour my friends, I'm Frankie and welcome to Club Foodie. I cook a lot. I'm sure you already knew that. But like anyone else, sometimes I want simple, easy, and especially a dish cooked in one pot. Here's a great, satisfying meal to make. My Mexican beef and rice skillet. With a beautiful combination of ingredients, this delicious recipe is perfect to enjoy as a weeknight meal. I'm sure your family will love it. So let's get cooking. In a large skillet over medium heat, we'll add canola oil. And when it gets hot, we'll drop in our white onions. We'll generously season with ground sea salt and saute them for 2 minutes before adding red peppers as well as poblano peppers. This time, we'll saute the vegetables for 3 minutes. Next, we'll add ground beef, breaking the meat into small pieces, and season with freshly ground mixed peppercorns. I don't really use black pepper on its own. We'll cook the meat until halfway done and then add 2 very large pressed cloves of garlic. We'll cook until the beef is no longer pink. We'll now season with dried oregano leaves, ground cumin, I love that spice, chili powder, which gives a little heat, and smoked paprika. We'll quickly mix the ingredients before adding tomato paste and then stir to coat. To salvage your leftover paste, I have a great tip, so click on the top right corner of your screen to find out how. To this, we'll add uncooked long grain rice. I'm using basmati, a can of black beans, drained and rinsed, and a can of corn kernels. We'll pour in some low-sodium beef broth and then add hot sauce of your choice. I'm using Cholula. We'll stir everything well, bring the mixture to a boil, cover, and reduce to medium-low. We'll set our timer for 15 minutes or until the rice is tender. We'll add 1 cup of sharp cheddar cheese, mix it in, and then stir in the remaining cup of cheese. We'll garnish with fresh chopped cilantro and serve immediately with sour cream. And my friends, this is our Mexican beef and rice skillet. Super easy to make. This delicious one-pot recipe is a great comfort food to serve your family. I hope you give it a try soon, and be sure to visit clubfoodie.com for ingredient amounts, directions, and more info. Until next time, my friends, bon appétit!